Hey, welcome to back my channel Dream Cars. Today, the Ford Mustang Boss 3002 is back for 2026, bringing with it the perfect blend of raw power, track-ready performance and modern technology. This iconic nameplate, originally introduced in 1969 and revived in 2012, has always been about high-revving V8's precise handling and aggressive styling. Now Ford has taken things to the next level with the 2026 Mustang Boss 302, making it one of the most exciting muscle cars on the market. A heart that roars. The powertrain at the core of the 2026 Boss 302 is a naturally aspirated 5.0L V8 engine specifically tuned for high-performance, borrowing technology from the track-focused Mustang Dark Horse. This Coyote-based engine delivers an estimated 500 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful Boss 302 ever. Key performance features include high-revving engine, red line set at 7,800 RPM for exhilarating acceleration, track-tuned exhaust, a valve quad-to-exhaust system that delivers an aggressive roll, magnetic ride suspension, adaptive dampers are just to road and track conditions, 6-speed manual transmission, a treatment TR 3160 gearbox for true driving enthusiasts with an optional 10-speed automatic design. Aggressive and aerodynamic, Ford has made sure the 2026 Boss 300 not only performs well but looks the part. Inspired by its racing heritage, the design features wide body stance, flared fenders for a more aggressive look and better stability, lightweight carbon fiber hood with functional heat extractors to improve cooling loss, 302 striping, a modern take on the classic black and orange racing stripes, aerodynamic enhancements, a front splinter rear spoiler and underbody paneling for improved downforce, unique 19-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires for maximum group driver-focused performance. Cabin. The interior of the 2026 Boss 302 is designed for track-ready performance while keeping modern tech intact. Recaro racing scenes, optional leather-trimmed bucket seats for maximum support, flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in Alcantara with paddle shifters on automatic models, digital cockpit, a 12.4-inch customizable driver display paired with a 13.2-inch Sync 4 infotainment system, track apps, real-time performance data including lap timers and G-force meters, lightweight materials, a mix of carbon fiber and aluminum trim to reduce weight, performance on the track. The Boss 3002 is designed for the track and Ford has equipped it with the necessary tools to dominate track mode and line lock. Customizable drive modes for optimal performance, Brembo brakes, massive 6-piston front and 4-piston rear calipers for superior stopping power, limited slip differential, standard torsion diff for better traction on tight corners, checkered flag weight reduction package, optional rear seat delete and carbon fiber panels. Pricing and release date. The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 302 is expected to hit dealerships in late 2025 with an estimated starting price of $65,000. Optional track and performance packages could push the price closer to $75,000. Ford has brought back the Boss 302 with the vengeance, with 500-plus horsepower, a manual transmission, track-focused engineering and aggressive styling. This is a modern muscle car that pays tribute to its legendary past while embracing future. The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 302 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting muscle cars in the decade. Would you buy the new Boss 302? Let us know in the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 302 is a modern-day revival of a legendary performance car, staying true to its heritage while incorporating advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology. With an aggressive exterior design that reflects its muscle car roots, the Boss 302 delivers exhilarating performance on both the street and the track. Powerful engine, a high-performance V8 engine delivering unmatched power and torque for an exhilarating driving experience. Track-ready performance, enhanced suspension, brakes, and performance-oriented features designed for both street cruising and track days. Aggressive styling, classic Mustang styling with a modern twist including unique Boss 302 badges and bold accents. Technology, advanced infotainment system, driver assistance features, and customizable performance settings for a tailored driving experience. Interior comfort, a driver-focused cabin with premium materials, sport seats and the latest tech to ensure comfort without sacrificing performance. Whether you're a collector or a performance enthusiast, the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 302 promises to be a true masterpiece on the road, delivering thrilling power and an unforgettable driving experience that honors the legacy of the original Boss Mustang. Stay tuned for pricing, release details, and more information on the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 302 as it prepares to set a new standard in muscle car performance. Comments, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars. Thank you for watching.